how to fix sign-in error that Microsoft account doesn't exist. So before anything, when you are signing in, make sure you double check your email. So make sure you're entering the correct email address linked to your Microsoft 365 account. So check for typos, extra spaces, or wrong domains like at outlook.com versus at hotmail.com. Make sure you're using the right one. You can also try alternate emails if you have multiple Microsoft accounts. Try signing in with another email you might have used. Sometimes the account was created with a different email alias. But other than that, if you are really sure you have an account for that, so you're gonna have to keep in mind that under Microsoft's account activity policy, you must sign into your Microsoft account at least once during a 2-year period to keep your account active. And if you don't sign in during this period, Microsoft will consider your account inactive and may close your account due to inactivity. So it's suggested you contact their online agent to check the account status for you, since the community forum is a public community. In order to protect the user privacy information, they cannot access any user privacy information, of course, relevant data, so they can't check your account directly for you. But they can point you basically in the right direction, which is basically contacting an online agent. So after you type contact Microsoft support, and then type account issues in the search box, click sign in and contact support at the bottom of the page. Sign in with your Microsoft account, so you can only log in using your personal MSA. When you log in using your company account, it will not display it correctly. If you are unable to connect with this account, you can use another account or create a new account to manage it. Under products and services, select Microsoft 365 and Office options. Under categories, select manage account security and then click chat with a support agent. Then fill in the contact information where the online agent can contact you. But that is one of the processes you could do to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.